So you might know that I'm trying to save my tomato plant. I got these beautiful babies at the Union Square Farmers Market last week, and then I went out of town. I made the mistake of just leaving them in the sun for too long, and I didn't have my water system quite set up yet. Anyway, they were fucked when I got home. Know that the seedlings need time outdoors every day, indoors, outdoors. They need time to acclimate. Like, this was me last year doing it the right way, and I just messed up this year. Last year I grew all my little plants from seeds. It was my very first time growing a plant ever, and so I picked up a bunch of books on botany and urban farming, and I thought to myself, I am just gonna do this the right way. And I did do it the right way. It was so fun. This was my balcony farm last year. All my plants did so great. I did not have any power or water out there either, by the way, so that's why it looks kind of like Rain Man with all of those bottles. This year, about February, I like I said, had to move. I was so busy at work, and so I decided not to do from seed this year and just buy some plants in May. Try to save these plants. I've given them, I think, the appropriate amount of water over the last 3 days to try to bring them back to life. Today I gave them a little bit of plant food. If you have any tips on how you think I can do more to save these babes, I'm trying to get them into their pots this weekend, so let me know.